Imagine you're a detective, but instead of solving crimes, you're solving puzzles hidden within heaps of information. That, in essence, is data science. In simpler terms, data science is a field that uses scientific methods, processes, and systems to extract knowledge or insights from structured and unstructured data. As a data scientist, your job is to make sense of large volumes of data, analyze it, and use it to make strategic decisions. Think of it as being a detective for the digital age. Now, you might be wondering, what does it take to be this digital detective? Well, the making of a data scientist isn't as clandestine as it may sound. It begins with a solid foundation in mathematics and statistics. You need to be comfortable with numbers, patterns, and probabilities. But it doesn't stop there. To wrangle data, you also need to master programming languages such as Python or R. However, the technicalities are just one side of the coin. A good data scientist is a blend of an analyst and an artist. They're naturally curious, continuously digging deeper, asking the right questions, and not settling for the surface answers. They are keen problem solvers, always ready to decode complex puzzles. And let's not forget, they have the ability to translate the complex world of data into simple, understandable insights. So, to all the budding data scientists out there, remember, it's not just about the hard skills. It's a journey of continuous learning and curiosity. Are you intrigued by the world of data science yet? If so, there's a wealth of resources to help you embark on this journey. Universities worldwide have opened their doors to curious minds, offering comprehensive data science courses and programs. But if you're looking for flexibility, online platforms like Coursera and Udemy have got you covered. They offer courses tailored to different experience levels, making it easy for anyone to start. So why not dive into the world of data science? Who knows? You might just unearth the next big insight.